Hello viewers, this is Dutch doing another review. This is the Amt 68 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is a 2-in-1 custom kit, 1/25th scale. Glare. Designed in the USA. Authentic interior. Round two. Okay, overview. Skill level 2. Come out. Okay. We have this mini box. Came with it. Some people collect these. I just might. Alright, and first is the glass, the clear here. That's one piece. I like the two-piece better because sometimes they don't fit right. You have to take it out, and then you gotta cut it. But anyway, it all works, I guess. All right, and then some tires. Here's some tires. Goodyear. Go. Lightly treaded. Playing on the other side. One set. There's another one. These are thinner. These are thinner. And these are Goodyears as well. Treaded, and I'll compare one with the other. Not too much difference. Okay. Okay, here's the chrome pack. Some wheels, chromes, bumpers. Looks like some valve covers, chrome, muffler stacks on the side there. There's your supercharger. Accessories. See. Oh, yeah, looks warped. Yep, it's warped. Wow. Maybe there's an adjustment here. It's warped. Maybe it could be fixed. Okay. That fit in there well. This is an older kit. This is I believe it's 98 manufactured. It's an oldie. Has the built-in fender wells. That. Frame chassis there, tank. Not too much detail, not too much flashing. You can see the warpage there. Just a little bit, but I'm sure that can be fixed. Okay. Here's the interior tub. Oh, some nasty injection marks right there. Built-in seat back. Tiny detail on the door handles there. Very little. Take a look at the other side, see if it matches. Yeah, very much there. Part of your wheel backs, seats, seat backs, steering wheel, dash, hardly detail in there either. Bold, of course, a bunch of flashing. Bunch. And we have more flashing. A big chunk right there. Part of your front suspension. Looks like your wing spoiler, nose chain guard or balance in the back, drive line. And this one we have the hood. I guess that one's for the supercharger. It looks thin right here. I guess that's where the hinges go, but that one's really thin compared to the other side. You can see that. Wheel backs for your wides and for both sets. Another pulley, and it looks like your twin carbs. Headers, 2 sets. Well, they make 1 set, I guess, 2 halves. There's your intake, back side of the hood. Okay. And the other hood. Same thing, real thin on this one too. Wheel backs, exhaust. And there's your other part for the exhaust. Air cleaner, valve covers, intake, exhaust manifolds, and looks like maybe another carb. It's kind of hard to tell. And maybe a coil. Wheels. Paint them up. Shocks. Hose. Parts, it looks like, for the wheels here. For your second set, I believe. Air breather, radiator, shroud. Looks like a master brake cylinder. There's some parts there for it. And some kind of mount. I'm not sure. Gonna look at the book. Not too much flashing on that one. And our last piece of the puzzle. Oh, look at that funny fan. Another hose, some heads, oil pan. There's your rear end, some flashing the boot. I don't see that. Oh, there's the other part. Differential, front suspension, another radiator, shroud, another hose, engine blocks, halves, more shocks, front end suspension for your wheels, hinges for the hood, and here's the back side of that. Got your springs attached to that. Starter. Looks like a starter, right? It's a funny looking starter anyway. Okay, here's the decals. And I want to say hi over to model car guy, Sean over there. Thank you. Love your videos. Love your work. Everybody says hi from New Mexico. Closer view for you with less glare. USA. Okay. And then the instruction manual. No pics on this one. There's your engine block assembly. Okay. Yep. Alright. We had some pretty decent weather over here. Chassis assembly. Side, body assembly, 14, 15, guess I don't have to count. Okay, here we go. Exterior painting guide, decal guide there. All right, well, that concludes this. Thank you for watching. Just want to let you know that I'm going to start doing some giveaways to say thanks for my subscribers. Man, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Thank you for your comments, likes. Thanks for sharing. Be looking out. I'm going to be doing some giveaways here coming up soon here in the next month or so, or maybe even sooner. Some models, maybe some other goodies. Well, thank you for watching. This has been this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 2-in-1 custom kit by Amt. And this is Dutch signing off.